हरिः कर्ता।
Okay, now let's add a color scale reference to our image. So it's helpful to have an idea of what value a color represents. We can do that by adding a color bar to our figure. So we did it in object oriented coding style. In the first module, we used the color bars at the end. So similarly, we will use the same method color bar to this. It's not a difficult task. So color scale reference, color scale reference. So 5. So let me check. Image plot is equals to plt dot imshow, and I'll say lum image and execute it. So this is what you got. Now what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna apply plt dot color bar. Color bar is here, and just execute the method. Okay, and here is your color bar. So 25 to 50, 75, 100, 125, 170, and 175. This is how the color bar varies. Clear?